here at the Michael's Croft Preserve in the outback of Royal Oak, Michigan. We're on the hunt for a clasp for our next video project. Let's see what we can find. Right.
And then the yeah, for sure. I have some, I believe, down here. Oh, so it's just the thicker one, huh? That's what that is. Okay. Because I have hemp cord. Would that work too? Yeah, you could use hemp cord if it matches your color better. Yeah, it's black.
They're so back. Bag them. I'm changing my mind. This is much better. A better alibi. Oh no, what is this? Wild bar. 06. 08. No, I need black. The preserve is very busy today. Crikey, we barely escaped with our lives. Click was so weird. Thank you. Have a nice day. Very strange. We got our clasps. We had a successful hunt. These are perfect. Excellent specimens. On with